We're at the SICTC Welding program today for a welding contest with Nicks. It's my first year competing and coming to it. What excites me is getting all the young kids into this, getting the kids into the trade and interested in it, especially with the competition. I think that helps with it.
Yeah, I think it's a good way to get yourself out there and challenge yourself. I think it's very encouraging just to see other people coming out interested in the same thing that you are, you know.
I think it's a good experience seeing all these people here. You know, it's people from very different backgrounds. Everybody has their own story, so it just shows what people can do.
I thought it was put together real well. Everybody that was judging worked well together. They helped you if you needed some help. Machines were great machines. The whole event I thought was put together great.
I think it helps the younger kids kind of see what their future could be. You know, they might not think they're the best now, but you get years of experience. I think they can kind of see their future of us, you know, the pros and stuff, and see how good our welds look. You know, they can see themselves doing it eventually.
I started welding about my freshman year. My grandpa, he was a sheet metal worker, so that's kind of what got me into it. I've grown a lot from where I was in the beginning. This competition is important because it allows everyone to kind of build a community. I think it's important to encourage people to get out in the trade because it's needed.
It's just the thrill of it, something different to do. You can learn good sportsmanship. There's some pretty subtle prizes and stuff, and it's got to be a good sport about it. Meeting new people, getting ties with a new company, something like that, maybe having a job opportunity in the future one day.
Give it a shot. I really was unsure if I wanted to do it or not, just because I don't do it much, but I came, I tried it, but I had fun. I had a blast doing it. So that was my biggest thing. It's just, I love welding, I love machines, it's part of what I do.